Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is margin agreement. Now, if you own a brokerage account, let's say you trade with Merrill Lynch, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, you've got to sign a margin agreement before you're able to borrow against your securities. Now, if you sign this margin agreement and you want to buy IBM, and it's $100,000 to buy 100 shares, you only have to put up $50,000. Margin under Reg T allows you to put up 50% of the security's value. Now you have to sign this agreement beforehand, but important things to note about margin agreements, they also allow the broker-dealer to hypothecate your securities and lend them out to short sellers who otherwise want to borrow your securities, pay the broker-dealer an interest rate to borrow them, and they sell them short. Today's word is margin agreement, and it's important you sign it or they won't let you trade on margin.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.